Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE X97 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So let's first launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Here we can see that we're logging into Gmail account, and just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click Manage Accounts on this device, tap to your account and click here to Remove Account button. Then confirm your action by click to remove account. And now we can see that in Google account settings we just successfully log out from the Google account. So let's go back to the application, and in application we can see also that we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.